guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. I am back with some surprise happy mail. I went to my post office today and got an email from our dear Cornflower Crafts here on YouTube, and she said that she had sent a package not for me but for my dear daughter Emmy. So Emmy's joining me today and she is gonna unbox some happy mail from Corn. So go ahead, Ems, this is your video. Go ahead.
I really like the Hello Kitty sticker.
It's cute.
Oh, there's a card. I'm gonna start by reading this first.
Okay.
First, I want to show you the details. She put a cute little gnome sticker and he's knitting.
He's so cute.
I love little butterflies.
Oh my god, it's miniature, yeah.
And she also put lace and this little bunny washi tape on it.
Aww.
It's so cute. She also put these little gnomes on it. They're so cute.
Oh my god, this she looks like Hyacinth.
Yeah, like Hyacinth in a different outfit.
Yeah. Oh my god. Look at the back. I know Corn usually signs her cards. There it is. What does it say?
And there's a little, it says handmade by Corn, and there's a little snail.
Okay, baby, go ahead and read it. Privately.
Thank you, Corn. My grandmother and mom are really creative too. Thank you for the card. I'm really excited to see what you gave me. Also, I think it would be really cool if you were able to like recreate one of these gnomes that you put on the sticker on the card.
That's really cool. Yeah, with the camera and the banner.
Yeah.
Here, so go ahead. Let's take out the tissue. Whoa.
Oh.
Go ahead, honey. Oh my god.
She's so pretty. It's like a little hanging ornament gnome.
Aww. I'm going to show it flat so everyone can see it. Look at this, guys. It's a tassel. It's like a tassel gnome, Emmy. Look. So you go like this. Do you love it? Look
She's
at
so pretty.
Aww.
But there's more underneath.
And you are going to have to find a place where you're going to put it in your room.
Yeah.
Look at the ribbons. Do you see the ribbons?
It's so pretty.
Doily. Oh my goodness. Corn, thank you so much. This is so sweet.
So pretty.
There you go, baby. You gotta name that girl too. Oh my gosh. She put so much.
Oh, this is a lot.
Oh my gosh.
First, I'm gonna start with this.
Oh my gosh. Go ahead, Em.
Can I rip it?
Go ahead.
Okay.
Butterflies. Wow.
Oh, it's like the artist trading cards.
And it's a pocket letter. Oh, there's a goodie that fell. Oh my gosh. So let's look at the front. Show
There's so many goodies.
Oh my goodness. Want to hold it, Em?
Look at all the gnomes. Oh, they're so cute.
Oh my gosh. That is amazing. And look at the back. It looks like she's added some fun goodies for you.
Uh-huh.
What do you have there?
There's letters, and then there's these bunny stickers, and there's some washi tape, and there's some glitter too. Oh my god,
These are sequin mixes, so you can make shakers. Oh my gosh.
And then she also put these really cute pins and stickers in.
Oh my gosh. Corn, this is so sweet. And then you got these bunnies over here too. And she made you more. Do you see that?
And there's more stickers and glitter. I really like the star glitter. Oh god, it slipped out. Oh
here,
no.
We'll put it back in. So
Oh god.
The excitement is overflowing here, so everything's falling out. But how adorable is that packaging?
It's so cute.
So you can put the circle one in here. There you go.
Back in here.
And back in there.
I'm definitely going to use these or something.
Oh, good. Want to be happy at end? Oh my gosh, what is that?
What's this?
I'm the one getting excited too.
Bubble wrap. So what's in? Oh, it's a cute sticker. Oops. mini gnome kit.
Cool.
It's the instructions to make a gnome.
There you go. You gotta make
Oh
it.
my god! Ooh. I'm gonna make my own gnome.
Yay. Oh my gosh. So everyone.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, guys. Ready to go. We have all the stuff, and she gave you steps. Oh, there's steps in the front and back too. So make sure to read it every step and make it. Oh,
There's a cute gnome drawing.
That's cute. Oh, that is adorable.
This is so cute.
Oh my god.
And I like this little sticker that said I totally made this.
That's awesome. Abs, there's still more.
Oh my
gosh.
god! I definitely need to make that gnome sometime soon. And maybe I'll add some of the little details with all the other stuff Corn gave.
That sounds good. Look, it's all your favorite colors. Purple.
Ooh.
Oh my goodness. Careful, baby. What is that?
I think. Ooh, what is this? The envelope's really nice. I think I need to remove this.
Okay. What does it say on the front? What does it say?
Create.
Oh, nice.
Oh, there's a little tab. It's more ribbons.
Huh?
With these little pretty rhinestone
Easter eggs.
gems.
Yeah. That is amazing.
Thank you, Corn. And that isn't it. There's so much more.
This is the box that keeps on giving.
It's the gift that keeps on giving. Oh.
Yep. Wow. So Emmy and I have been watching Corn's Gnome series since last year. We did it during Christmas break and I think even Thanksgiving.
I love her gnomes. Oh, it's a cute little dog paper clip. And there's a cute gnome sticker. It looks like another tab.
Yeah.
It says share your creativity. Ooh.
Oh, maybe take
Oh
out
yeah,
the
I think it's the
paper
dog.
clip.
I'm gonna save that dog paper clip. It's really cute.
Yeah.
It's gnome ribbons. They're so cute.
Ooh.
Oh, this time it's ooh.
Wow. Square ones, and I've never seen those.
Square rhinestone gems. These
That's
gnomes
so
are really
cool.
cute. Look at these ones. This is like a fairy gnome one here.
Oh yeah. There's more, I think, fairy here. Oh yeah, and this one too.
They're so cute. And there's still a lot more.
Oh my goodness.
These stickers are really nice.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
They look very perfect for spring. Spring Happy Mail.
yeah. This is the perfect spring Happy Mail.
Yep.
Oh,
Oh my gosh.
it's so cute.
That's so cute.
And the beard's like textured.
Yeah. So she used to die cut for that.
That's so cool. It's so cute.
And look. So Ems, this is the part where you see the pink stuff. She did some. Oh my god, I can't think of the word. Anyway.
Distressing?
Yes. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Go ahead and open that. Oh my gosh. Not distressing. Inking also.
Inking.
Yeah. You can make your own. Oh my gosh.
Ooh.
Oh.
I don't think I should pour it all.
Oh my
Oh
goodness.
god. There's some mittens.
We'll look at that in a few, but it looks like another. She shared some die cuts for gnomes. Oh
Yeah.
my gosh. You
We
are
can
going
make-
to be
we can
making
make
tons of gnomes.
A bunch of gnomes. Next we have like this polka dot looking one.
That is gorgeous.
Oh, the paper is really nice. Okay. Ooh. Oh, this butterfly is really cute with the little heart wings.
That is adorable.
Okay, now
look
I
at the
need
way
to
she wrapped it. Look in the back. Just slide it off, I think.
Yeah, I think we slayed.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, okay. Ooh.
Look at the opening. Maybe it's on the right here.
Oh, okay, yeah, we just need to get that off, I think.
Or
Or...
hold on, guys.
So I found out how to open it. Now I can look inside.
Okay.
Oh, something fell out. These are so cute. Are these like little button
Oh
things?
my gosh! Look, it looks like a candy. Is that a candy?
I think this is supposed to be
So
candy.
they're things they call them flatbacks, so you glue them on your projects.
Cute.
That will be, there's a bear and strawberry too.
Mm-hmm.
And guess who wants to look in? This is here.
Hyacinth.
Hi guys, look, she's saying hi and trying to look in. And what? Are you looking for Fred? I don't think he's in there.
But soon you'll have a new friend.
Alright, Ems.
Out of this.
Oh yeah, you're gonna make that?
Mhm.
Is that gonna be her friend? Aww.
Soon she'll have a friend.
Yeah, that's awesome. Alright, oh my gosh, what is this
Ooh.
cute little baggie? Oh, that's a filling.
Oh, that's a filling.
Okay, so put that aside.
I'm pretty sure we were supposed to like pick that up with the other one, but that's okay. It feels like it's my birthday. There's so much.
I know. Thank you so much, Corn.
Yeah, thank you, Corn.
Nice yellow. We have to reuse these. And
Yeah, these are really nice. Oh, look at these little bunnies.
Oh, look at those tails.
Oh, it's like little crafting materials hanging.
Oh, that's cute.
And there's this cute little clothespin.
Glitter and what is that?
It's like a little paint tube.
Oh, nice.
Oh, it looks like paint is coming out of it.
Oh,
That's cute.
that's really cool.
Oh my god. It's a gnome bunny pad.
Oh my gosh, that is too cute.
I think there's a bit more in there. A bit. Oh wait, no, that was it. That's so cute.
That
it
is
has a little
adorable.
flower.
Look, Hyacinth and Barbara are trying to look at that cute gnome. They're curious. Oh my gosh, there's more?
There's more. Which one should I open first?
Whatever
This
you
one or-
want.
I think I'll save this one because it looks good.
Oh, well done, guys.
This is really nice, like tissue paper wrapping. The designs are like nice. Ooh,
Oopsie.
oopsies! I think I ripped this one a little bit too much.
There you go. That is pretty. What is it? Oh my gosh!
It's like little gnome ornaments. Oh, it's like a gnome shaker kind of. These little glitters.
So, yeah, it says "Maker's gonna make," and they look like tags, Ems.
Yeah.
That is adorable because look, you can put
can
it
make a
on
shaker.
presents and do shakers too. Yeah.
For now, I'm not gonna open this because I don't want the glitter to spill everywhere. But like,
Okay.
it's really cute. I'm gonna.
Wow. Oh my
Oh.
goodness. Corn! Oh my gosh.
Corn.
This is overload. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness.
Ooh. Oh, this butterfly is really cute.
Wow.
Look at this note. It has a little tie
So
on it.
this
It's
is what they
cute.
call when they alter a box. It looked like she altered the box. And look at that. She handmade that.
Oh, that's so cool.
Wow.
Corn, you're too nice.
Oh my goodness.
These are so pretty.
And these are the backing, so you put it behind it. So when you're
So it
ready to
sticks?
glue it, look at the colors. Those are your colors, Em.
Mhm.
Oh my
They're
gosh.
so pretty. I really like this one.
Oh,
the
which one's
lace.
that? Oh my
It's
goodness.
a little rose.
Oh my
Ah.
gosh.
And this candy one's really cute too.
That is adorable.
These are really cute.
You
What if
have
I
to
put
see
like
how
up
she
the
made
blue
this, 'cause
one
I
with
watch
the
her. I
gnome?
watch her make these, Emmy. These are actually satin ribbons. And
That's
she
really
hands-
cool.
So you have to learn how to do running stitch.
Yeah, I do.
That's cool.
And
Oh
we have
my
the final package, I think.
Wow.
Oh, this is really nice. I like how she
Oh
decorated
my
this. The
gosh.
ribbon's really pretty, and so is the doily. Lace? Doily?
Yeah, that is so cute.
It's really nice.
Aw,
Aw.
do you like him? The
Yeah.
two purple colors, honey.
Yeah.
Oh my god, Emma! Oh my gosh, hi!
It's a mini gnome.
She made you mini gnome. Hi, say hi.
Oh, I need to give him a name. Look at that beard.
That is so cute, Emmy.
And that's what's in the kit for this one.
Oh,
It's another
my
mini
goodness.
gnome.
Now they're gonna be friends. Adorable. I wonder if she left any note, maybe. I guess you will name the cutie pie.
Oh,
How adorable is that?
he's so cute.
Aw.
He has a little pearl nose.
Come on, Barbara, say hi. Don't be shy.
He has a little bit of glitter in his beard.
Here's Barbara.
Oh, their
There's
colors
your big
match.
sis.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. All right, Ems. Make sure you didn't miss anything so we can... Oh wow, that is a lot. One sec.
This is so much corn. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I've also decided to name this little guy Romeo.
Oh, that's a good one. Aw,
He's
he
gonna
does
be
look
our
like
helper.
Romeo.
He's gonna be our crafty helper.
What are you gonna name the tassel?
I'm still deciding on hers.
Okay.
But I'll tell you when I have when I know what I'm gonna name her.
Oh, so he's gonna be our crafty helper.
And I'm really excited to make this one.
Oh yeah, we are gonna make it. And of course, our dear Hyacinth just wants to and saying hi to Corn. Thank you. And Barbara sneaking in. She's busy eating. She's a little heavy. But again, Corn, thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this Happy Meal unboxing. Make sure to check out Cornflower Crafts channel. Check out her gnome series. It is so amazing. She is a wonderful gnome maker. Oh my gosh, if you missed the unboxing and the detailed look at how she made Hyacinth, check out her channel. We'll link it down below. Again, happy spring break to everyone that's going on spring break, and we'll see you when we get back. Thanks again for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time.
Bye.